Hello everyone! Today we'll be learning about how to mirror your iPad to your MacBook. By doing this, you'll be able to have free movement in your classroom for instruction, even if your computer is hardlined to a wall panel. First, you'll need to download AirServer through self-service. You can do this by clicking Install, and then inputting the activation code to activate the product. Once it is installed in your Mac, head into the preferences for the program to make a few setting changes. The default name for your computer will be its serial number. Here you can change it to anything that you'd like to help you recognize it from a list later. You'll also want to set the security to on-screen code, so not just anyone could connect to it. Close the window once you've made the changes. Now on your iPad, flick your finger down quickly on the upper right-hand side. One of the icons you'll see here is for screen mirroring. Once you're in that, you'll be able to select your computer from the list. Once you select it, you'll see a code come up on your Mac screen. Just plug that code into the iPad and tap OK. You'll see the iPad come up on the screen. To stop, you simply tap Stop Mirroring on your iPad. And there you go. Using AirServer is a great way to avoid being dependent on using an Apple TV, and an even better way to utilize technology. See you next time!